Henry Ford, visionary industrialist and founder of Ford Motor Company. Legends of innovation. In the annals of industrial innovation, few names shine as brightly as Henry Ford's. Born into the rural landscapes of Greenfield Township, Michigan, Ford's journey from a farm boy with a fascination for machinery to the founder of Ford Motor Company is a testament to the power of vision and determination. Ford's early life was marked by an insatiable curiosity for technology. By 1896, he had already crafted his first vehicle, the quadricycle, signaling the dawn of a new era. His entrepreneurial spirit led to the creation of the Detroit Automobile Company and later the Henry Ford Company, setting the stage for a revolution in personal transportation. 1903 marked a pivotal year with the establishment of the Ford Motor Company. The introduction of the Model T in 1908 was a game-changer. Its affordability, durability, and simplicity captured the American imagination. But it was Ford's groundbreaking implementation of assembly line production in 1913 that truly transformed the industry. This innovation slashed manufacturing times and costs, democratizing the automobile and giving birth to the modern middle class. The Tin Lizzie, as the Model T was affectionately known, rolled off the lines in unprecedented numbers. By 1927, over 15 million units had been produced, each contributing to a seismic shift in society's mobility and freedom. Ford's vision extended beyond the factory floor. He introduced the $5 workday in 1914, a radical move that doubled the average auto worker's wage and shortened the work week. His actions rippled through society, bolstering the middle class and setting a new standard for industrial compensation. The Ford Motor Company's reach became global, with plants opening worldwide and influencing manufacturing across industries. Ford's philanthropic legacy was cemented with the creation of the Ford Foundation, a beacon of global philanthropy. Yet Ford's story is not without its shadows. Financial struggles during the Great Depression and his anti-Semitic views and ties with Nazi Germany cast a pall over his legacy, reminding us that even the most influential figures are not without their flaws. Henry Ford's indelible mark on the automotive industry and manufacturing earned him a place in the Automotive Hall of Fame. When he passed away on April 7, 1947, in Dearborn, Michigan, he left behind more than just an iconic company. He left a blueprint for innovation and progress that continues to inspire generations.
Step into the realm of Roy's Academy, your portal to a universe brimming with knowledge and innovation. Here, every lesson is an adventure, every course a treasure trove of wisdom waiting to be unlocked. Embark on a comprehensive educational journey with our meticulously crafted courses. Delve into the core subjects of math, science, English, social studies, and computer science, tailored for students from classes 1 to 10, following CBSE and ICSE curriculums. Dive into Olympiad courses across a spectrum of disciplines and prepare for IIT NEET Foundation with focused classes from 6 to 10. Beckons Roy's Academy. Elevate your intellect with our brain development program, featuring Vedic and shortcut math, IQ booster, knowledge enhancer, and English concepts builder. Or polish your spoken English skills with comprehensive training in grammar, vocabulary, and more, all designed to foster fluency and confidence. Your quest for enlightenment is just a click or call away. Connect with Roy's Academy via WhatsApp at +91 8910 890311. Ring us up at +91 8910 600503 or download our interactive Android app Roy's Academy from Google Play Store. Explore infinite possibilities on our website https://roysacademy.com and join us on this odyssey where knowledge meets innovation. Roy's Academy, your complete e-learning solution.
Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, please subscribe our channel. For more videos, please press bell icon for instant notification.